still get back into skateboarding.
Well, you never outgrew it, so here you are.
Yeah. Right.
Yeah.
Now it heals me.
Oh,
Yeah.
It's like fixes me up here.
It's the
Yeah.
best therapy in the world.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
There's no feeling like it. I don't know. I can't compare it to a whole lot of other things.
No, it's awesome, man. It really is.
Except for maybe skating and adrenaline. I think it's videotaping.
So go ahead. I figured if I'm gonna bullshit with you here, I might as well
Yeah, that's
get
cool.
some audio in it.
Right on.
That's a workout, huh?
It is a workout.
Yeah.
It's a good workout, though.